Welcome to 715 Fawn Circle, where you will find a pool house with 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, 1.5 baths, a game room, a laundry room, a living room, and a large porch that looks out to the in-ground pool, the beautiful yard, and the huge main house. The main house has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3 wood fireplaces, a formal living room and dining room, and a great room with hardwood floors and a wet bar. The kitchen has granite counters and double ovens. The master bedroom is 20 feet by 17.8 feet. The master closet measures 17.4 feet by 8.9 feet. The main house also has a huge sunroom that is not counted in the square footage. There are 2 walk-in basements and a 2-car side entrance garage. This home is just wow. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering the front door of this amazingly unique home. The foyer has ceramic tile floors and measures 9 feet 4 inches by 6 feet. The formal living room is located off the foyer, measures 19 feet 5 inches by 14 feet 4, has carpet, and leads to the eat-in area of the kitchen. This view of the kitchen is from the foyer. The kitchen has granite counters, ceramic tile floors, double ovens, and measures 16 feet 5 inches by 15 feet 1. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 10 feet 11 inches by 9 feet. It leads to the formal dining room, sunroom, and formal living room. The formal dining room is located off the kitchen and leads to the laundry room and great room. The formal dining room has ceramic tile floors, a wood-burning fireplace, built-in shelves, and measures 20 feet 1 inch by 14 feet 7. The great room has hardwood floors, a wood-burning fireplace, a wet bar, measures 20 feet 1 inch by 20 feet, and leads to the sunroom and downstairs master suite. The great room also has built-in shelves. The wet bar is located in the great room. It measures 3 feet 11 inches by 3 feet 6. This home offers 2 master bedrooms, 1 downstairs in the basement, and 1 on the main floor.